This has been another strong year for L'Oréal, and we continue to be the world's largest cosmetics company. A 109-year focus on beauty has led us to consistent results and growth without compromising on our values. Our brands continue to be well known and trusted, resulting in stable, organic revenue growth. And our diverse global portfolio continues to gain market share. However, here at L'Oréal, we appreciate that the beauty industry is constantly changing, and building value requires an active approach. We've worked in partnership with a consultancy firm to develop a 5-year strategy plan to drive us into the future.
We have identified 2 key underperforming areas that we feel hold the potential for significant growth for L'Oréal over the next 5 years. Due to an increasingly saturated market, L'Oréal must improve in the capture of emerging markets. Despite significant success in China, growth in West Africa and Eastern Europe remains disappointing. The second underperforming area is male skincare and makeup, a promising market that is currently underrepresented in L'Oréal's market share and portfolio. To address these areas, we recommend a radical key acquisition and the adaptation of the current strategic plans in West African markets and in male cosmetics.
We understand that L'Oréal's diverse brand portfolio is a result of the company's strong acquisition record, and that L'Oréal typically acquires small companies that are in line with its values. However, we propose the acquisition of a major competitor, Beiersdorf. We feel Beiersdorf offers an opportunity to address the weaknesses that we have identified in L'Oréal's current global strategy. Firstly, acquiring Beiersdorf serves as a fast-track approach to addressing L'Oréal's weak presence in the Eastern European cosmetics market, which has seen an unprecedented growth of 8.1% in recent years. Secondly, with Beiersdorf's flagship brand Nivea being the #1 male skincare brand, we believe this will provide a route to the significant and growing male cosmetics market. Acquiring a large company with substantial infrastructure will allow for faster product delivery, improved research, and a diversification of L'Oréal's portfolio, notably into consumer healthcare brands such as Elastoplast. We estimate that the acquisition will be completed within 1 year, and we envision this acquisition to result in a combined skincare market share of 20% globally, allowing L'Oréal to distance itself from its competitors.
A largely unexplored aspect of the men's grooming market is men's makeup. With the growth in male social media influencers promoting makeup use by men, the stigma surrounding the topic is slowly being eroded, with a survey by JWT demonstrating that younger generations are more accepting of men wearing makeup. Our proposal is the development of a line of men's cosmetics, focusing on a natural approach with a mass-market masculine appeal, making use of Nivea's expertise on men's grooming and brand loyalty, alongside L'Oréal's strong marketing. The resulting marketing campaign will incorporate social media influencers and male celebrities to further erode the stigma surrounding men's makeup. The long-term benefits in acting as pioneers for this movement include the freedom to capture a significant market share well before our competitors are able to enter the market, establishing strong branding and consumer loyalty.
West Africa presents a significant opportunity for L'Oréal. Despite this, L'Oréal's current strategy is losing out to competition, and in such a rapidly growing market, major changes are required to establish a dominant market share. To encourage renewed growth and to realise the potential of the market, we suggest that we should further utilise our ties with CFAO to establish market share in new West African territory. We also think that product shipment size should be reduced to increase retail availability. Ventures should be established with high-quality local firms, and the European Internet strategy should be applied quickly to the African market. Adaptability is key, and products should be tailored for African usability and the switch-prone African consumer.
This wouldn't be a realistic strategy without having a look at some of the threats to L'Oréal's future. As a result of growing competition and unpredictable shifts in the global market, L'Oréal is facing a number of challenges that will require continuous monitoring and awareness over the coming years to ensure that opportunities for growth are seized and damage to the brand and market share is minimised. We believe that the key concerns are advancements in technology, particularly AR and AI, market share erosion, and competitive acquisitions by major competitors such as Unilever and Procter & Gamble, and the uncertainty and potential volatility of the UK market in the wake of their departure from the EU. By acting decisively, remaining competitively advantageous, and continuing to uphold our strong values, L'Oréal will continue to be an exemplar company. If you'd like to know any more, please read the full report.